society we wanted for our people. But our evil, wicked leader, they are not allowing us to give a very good society and good life to our people back home. They're the kind of what we wish for our people at home. We are not stingy, we are not selfish. We want you guys to even feel better than us here. That's why we are doing what we are doing. For those of you that do take our work personal, it's all left for you. We are appreciating God today. At least there's a difference in our lives. We want our people to feel the same environment, to feel the same security that we feel here. You know, the people that are not even supporting today in the struggle for us to have a better society, most of them are abroad. They know how they are being treated here. But one thing I'm to let you know, my brothers and sisters, if you don't fight for what you want, do not cry for what you lose. So a quest for a better society is not something you joke with, man. Where the heck in Nigeria can you be driving at this time of the day? You can see everywhere is arranged. I'm not showing you trying to brag, but I'm just letting you know the reason why we fight what we fight. We are not fighting it because we are the most powerful people. We are fighting it, we will know what it takes to live in a good society. This is just a road. Do we have this kind of a thing? If at all we have it, it's not common. If you are even going from here, driving to Italy, the whole road is good. You can drive anywhere, you know. You can see that street lights everywhere, you know. So I don't know what it really takes. I've tried to confirm. Even recently, I started asking people, is it God that created this place? They said no. It was done by human being. Then our leader will come to this place. They will see all these things, yet they are not touched. They are not touched to even at least try to do something about our ugly situation. Look at excessive killing, no evidential value for humanity. Still in Nigeria, they don't value anybody. So that they can kill anybody at any time. It might get to you tomorrow. There is a popular comedian in Edo State. He used to make people laugh, but I saw him yesterday lamenting. He still have the shock in him. So everyone, whether you are a comedian, you are actor, you are actress, what is happening right now is going to affect you by one way or the other. Even in your comedy, you can talk to your leaders, tease them, insult them, use them to make bad example. Don't always say, if I can't talk to them now, if I'm going to do my show, they might not call me, you know. My dear, one in Christ is better than million in the world. If the voice I have today, I choose to be a politician, I don't think anybody will campaign more than me. I have a lot of scriptural verses of the Bible on my head that can talk to you. You don't even know when you take vote for Satan. But I choose to, you know, to be with you, my brethren, because I know what it takes. Most of us, we are 30 years away from home, 20 years, 50 years away from home. So we want you to feel the dividend of life. No, that is, you cannot live your score years right now in Nigeria. Look at kidnapping everywhere. You know, people can no longer travel. You know. So it is very, very dehydrating. Seeing that people are comfortable with this ugly situation. They are not doing anything about it because it does not concern them. You don't know when you are going to travel. You don't know. If you are an artist, add your voice to it. Add your voice to it. You can, in a society where things are really wrong, you are not safe. If, for example, right now, the place we are living here, we don't even want anything to happen because it's more affected by one way or the other. You may, for example, right now, you don't have a car, and the car insurance, they increase it up to about 80%. You start saying, I don't have a car, after all, it does not concern me. Okay, what about when you not bought car? Or when you not buy a car? So everything that is happening in your country today must affect you. Even the so-called big men who never want the country to be good is also going to affect their children tomorrow. Maybe the day when you come across a very bad kidnapper, even though they are even mentioning your father's name, they may not even want to listen. Okay, look at what the unknown government is doing right now. They don't know whether they're going to come for you tomorrow, you don't know. So it is better we leave down a legacy. And the legacy I'm begging to every one of us to leave. At least, let's live down a good society. It is when your society is okay, you can best raise up your children. It is when your society is okay, you know, you can live with, you know, sleeping, leaving your door behind. Just leave your door open. You know, just look at everywhere. There's like, you have no right. You have no right to say you want to dim the light. Dim it for what? For what? For what? But when we are talking at times, even the people that were supposed to also join in the struggle, they are doing segregation. How can you be segregated if you want to have a better society? That's impetus. It's not possible until you begin to tell ourselves the truth. If you find out that your struggle is not that valuable, you know, there is a sense why you must have to combine your effort, join your momentum to the next person that have a bigger voice. Okay, look at Nnamdi Kanu today. He give a command. Heaven and earth today, everybody shake. Then I told you guys before that he's the commander-in-chief. That I'm seeing that guy become the best leader in Africa tomorrow. But a lot of you, because of sentiment, because of hatred, if you don't celebrate others, we're going to celebrate you. I came into this very struggle without nobody even calling me. I've supported a lot of struggle. Anything liberation, I'm not the user of play. Even though you felt be my enemy, the very day you have a platform of liberation, I will support you. I will support you with everything that I have, with my soul, my body. But the people fighting today, and I tell you, are surprised that the most powerful leader in the whole world is Nnamdi Kanu. The most powerful leader in Africa is Nnamdi Kanu. Even when federal government put lockdown, people never they obey. But how come the whole East, they all obey? Why? Because they just did the referendum today. Biafra have their nation ready. If you don't know. Biafra automatically, with what happened today, they got it their nation ready. Biafra is already a free nation. It was practicalized today. Look at how everybody adhered to the sit at home lockdown. Not even anybody in the street. Who can't tell the government to marry? Who tell them make comply? Who can tell Opus Zodima make it comply? You know. So let be at least, because all what is happening today is not for only us alone. If Biafra is liberated, every other state got their freedom automatically. But people are always turning to the Oyibo. I think I've been able to preach the gospel I needed to preach. I've teach a lot of people the Bible which I needed to expose them to. It's not left for you to decide. Biafra is already a nation of his own. He's already a nation of his own. There's no two ways about that. You know? So please, my brothers and sisters, forget about sentiment, forget about ethnicity. It will not lead us to anywhere. These are what you are going to be seeing in Biafra, 24 hours light. Because Nigeria today, there's no way that country can ever have light. Do you know why? Because it was built on a faulty foundation. Because when they were doing the amalgamation, they told all your leaders, you are going to be killing your people. They say they all sign. Up to now, there is a book that even when a new governor comes, you have to read that book to make sure it punishes you. Even when the governor even try to do something, the people, they will tell him, who tell you why you going to give them good life? Are you mad? Now let you want fair day. All these are environment. It was not created by God. It was made by human. All these are environment. This is the city we are domicile. When we are shouting, you don't know how we feel. Look at the issue of cow right now. I'm not going to be dwelling on that today. How will I believe in such an environment like this? I can just throw out at any time, any given time at all. Then you cannot travel. If I have to go to Madrid now, as I just be, so I don't go, to drive all the night, in 3 hours, 30 minutes from where I am here, running 140, 120 kilometers, 3 hours, 30 minutes, I'm already in Madrid. That the journey that will take you 8 hours in Nigeria. Then what are we saying? So we need more patriots to come up. So Biafra, they are not going to be too much politicians in Biafra. You are going to be seeing patriots. People that believe in, that are patriotic. People who believe in patriotism. Who will build up a nation. Politicians, they kill a nation. We have not gotten, the only time we would have gotten a patriotic governor in Edo State was during the time of Ali. The rest we are seeing these days, all of them, even when they want to even war, they will tell them, please, you don't need to give this thing to these people. They did not deserve it. They did not deserve it. They will tell them they did not deserve it, and yes, it will be like that. You know, you see now you have to obey the traffic light. So everyone, please, let's try as much as we can. Or look at it. Thief will not come and rob this in the night. Security not the garden. You can see that advert whether on a flat screen or the column. You know. Please, every one of us, let's join our hands together to build up our nation. Now Nigeria have failed. It has been shown to everyone that Nigeria has failed. Let's have alternative. At least Biafra land as a country or whatever, we give everybody, all dying Nigerians, it will be a place where you can, you know, just go and rest your head. It's not about dragging land right now. Let's fight for Biafra for. Let's stop fighting ourselves. After we have gotten it, the people that want empire, they will give them empire. Look at Monaco in France. Monaco is just 39,000. Luxembourg, yeah, is 600,000. Luxembourg. Switzerland is 10 million. What about Ireland? Ireland is just 5 million population of Edo State. Now, after we might have fought what we want to fight, then we now come to a round table. Look at what we are going to do. Let's do it like this. Then it will be done. So it's far better than we never had the rabbit. We never even see him. People are already dragging. Nobody will change your ancestral land. Nobody want to change your ancestral land. Don't get it twisted. Okay, what the use of your ancestral land? Even since you are being your ancestral land, for example, is it protecting you? I'm not saying the ancestral land of Edo State protecting anybody. Everybody, if you want to die in Edo State, you can just die today. You don't even have anybody to protect you. Look at our vigilante. People went out for protest today. Even the son of the disease or whatever, he was injured. It's a fair system we have. Nothing until a corn go inside the ground and die. He abide alone. Please, let's try as much as we can. There are a lot of things I'm not happy about. For guys said, man, we fought for Obaseki to come in. The administrative arms of Nigeria is bad. It's not favorable. Even though Obaseki becomes Jesus, he can only do little because he have a lot of suffocators around him. They will frustrate this government. They will frustrate him. There are much he cannot do. So for those of you who believe in psychophancy, I'm not there after that. I'm not a politician. I'm a patriot. That's why we are born to fight politicians. We are made to fight politicians. I'm a patriot, a very good one. For those of you that doesn't know, go and check my profile. It is when you don't really understand me, that's when you start criticizing me. If you understand me very well, you should applaud for me. For this guy with this voice, I join also. Okay, not be me with Dewutuna. I did not call you brethren. Who would have called you brethren? Don't you see ever since the incident that happened in Edo? I think one other young Edo young youth came out and talked criticizing where are the remaining Efulefus? They can't say, they have no courage to say, you can't try it now. Please, for those of you that have been using their head, stop. Not they let them use you again. You know the environment you live abroad. If you even in Nigeria, you don't understand, no problem. No problem. You know, you never know what is the good life. A lot for today, we are being mute to mentioning the name of the Lord that God in vain. Anytime life, they so do it that you even praise God for life. Hey, thank God, don't bring life. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Can you imagine? You are just mentioning the name of the Lord that God in vain. The way you are going to shout, yeah. So not be your fault. All these things you deserve. We not the praise of a boy and say because they pull light to evil road. Okay, now do you know what I'm going to do right now? Let me show you something. Our runabout not to do am up. Not to, do you know they put Kotanu again now? You don't know say now you they stop. Wait. I'm going to show you something right now. Not to do the road, but they put quota. You see here now. Not to do that place. You see something there. They just a dig now. So renovation everywhere. Let me show us something before I cut off the video. Because at time when we are talking to a lot of people, they don't know say, how can I be? Okay, now waiting again. At the day inside like 24 hours. You day inside darkness. Then you call me my prayer. I don't say I'll be your brother, I'll be your friend. I cannot speak for you. Anything where they on my word and off you talk, more rata give me out talking. Any sort one I want cause government, una not fit cause and give them. More than rata and give me out search out for where they for Bible. You know they help me to find. Then I'll call cause and give them. You deserve a life that is more than this. Do you think that you don't make out today saying that because you know how to reach? They what your society is supposed to give back to you, but you are not getting any one. Imagine you finish school, not be say you don't know book, you end up being Okada. So now our country for traitors. Even the things that affect us here. Money will will take buy, they go buy new car. You want buy new car, you decrease. Because you look and say me to go use on 20k to go back car. Me and you buy 5k on. At least the remaining money go serious me to help my friend. That's what we have been doing. We don't live for ourselves. We live poor so that to make our brother and sister at home. A lot of you today, you know what you have done for your dad or your mom. But if the country is good, that responsibility not be for carrying. Now, this runabout you are seeing was newly the new Pukota on top. You see her? I'm going to trace it back to the other runabout. You see her now? When the time finish, after one before they come back and you see it. Not in Duam, not in Duam. Not in Duam. There's nothing wrong with it. You see, and a police motor be that so. I'll be Guada Civil. All those are our boys here. They are made to protect us. You know? You see to it. So you cannot expect me you make a take a lightly with your leader. The money that they would have used to feast up the nation, all of them share them. But yet they still need more. Even remain at where remain, they don't want even live on. Small way still remain. They see the dragon. How person go finish school finish? Get BSc. How many years for school? 30,000 naira in a month. At times he go to pay me. At the end of the day, now you want bath. Inside there now you want bath fuel. You see all this place. The new Pukota, not in Duan. Not in Duan, more for information. Not in Duan, not in Duan. Not in Duan, not in Duan. You see to it? This filling station. Queue not there. They have fuel everywhere 24 hours of the day. What you are seeing there, the other place there is car wash. You know? Then what are we talking about? What are we not saying? So any person that is in abroad who is not fighting for you, now your enemy. The people fighting for you today, any person you see in media, constantly fighting for you. No, it's all personal self. We believe on only a platform, but now only ideology. Now I believe on. Those kind of people, they are witch. We are not talking about that. I've supported a lot of struggles. Most of you know me. I know they use that and play because I value your life. How can you stay inside darkness? You want that? They use your grandpapa inside darkness. Urukmi who now your party sleepy. Your pastor in the village. Your pastor constantly go build house for town. He couldn't enjoy life. They are killing you again. Instead of you collecting money from them, that was the same mistake your father made. He collected money from them. Today you are suffering it. Level as you, the people they are kidnapping recently now, their father were a politician, or maybe their father one fair politician. They were giving money. The money they don't eat for it. But look at how they, I'm giving instances. So look at what happened to this very young man that day, who made people to laugh. He was sharing his own experience, even inside his own house. He see the fear. The trauma, 2 years did not come out for your body. Can you be kidnapped here abroad? Only what can happen to you at times, say, as you just go, maybe your car, something just happen. How you want to get that kind of trauma? The only trauma you get at times, if they send yellow paper, call your letter boss. Because that letter, they know they use and agree good money. That yellow paper, for those of you that is in abroad, they know they use, government, they not use and agree you good money. You know, say something don't still happen. Either if for good or for bad. Before they will drop that letter. They want to make sure say the thing reach your hand. And now you shiver. Say sure go day your body. Look at trauma people are passing through. You are to travel the next morning. Automatically the same road where you want pass. And the journey you are going to is very, very important. They kidnap person for that. How will you feel? you will feel bad. Definitely you will feel bad, you know. At the time at that time, when I say, na so coronavirus key, my area now come full way again. It come full way now. Now double parking now people they do. You don't see, huh? It come full way. Now, where people wait there, but don't know from where they advertising. Hey, are they phone? Hey, are they okay? They are resurrecting again. No wonder. Please, my brothers and sisters, let's take it easy. Let's be our brother's keeper. If you know say your struggle is not achievable, buffon. If you know say your own struggle, where you believe in, is not achievable right now, buffon, more join hands together. To be better. Your struggle right now is not achievable. Remove hand from that your struggle. Make we achieve other one will be say, man, it go dey more easier for us. Like somebody like me, I know I'm not self-centered though, but I want that people say that they fight for freedom. You hold on to one thing for many years, you know they remove eye there. It's not. I look at this as selfishness for it. That's selfishness. I can join anybody. Before I used to criticize my commercial company, but today they are doing well. I saw them today, the way they were manhandled, but I felt bad about it. But how will one person, only me one, I go they come, they talk about what is affecting Edo State. The real one, but the rest people, they are all politicians. What they just believe on, if I talk to this government, I don't come like me again. It's sacrifice everywhere. So more they encourage people where they do the mating. People who not say they do the mating, more they encourage them. I don't say more encourage me. What I'm doing today is already built in me. It's inherent and inherent, but that's why I support everybody. I came to the idea of a Brafa. Even the struggle, what I've helped Brafa to do. What I've helped them, the activism I've helped them for. Even some Efulefu Igbo, they never even do one. We have a lot of them. All they do is to go to use money to carry woman. They have never even done it. But am I going to in a way? For example, I have where I'm staying. No. I have where I'm staying. I'm comfortable. I'm not complaining. But why be saying I mean they put all struggle for health pass? Because there are people that need to live well, the same way we are living. There are people who need this life also. We need to forget about selfishness and all of that. But struggle where most people supposed key into, they're not the one key into run. Everybody they doing on. You cannot succeed like, okay, look at who now the count today declare holiday, a lockdown. How come? Just from today they imagine why is everybody obeying this man? It just showed to you today that Brafa is already a country of his own. Opus Odima may be crazy now. David Umai may be stupid right now. But a time is going to come. But the people that are inside, they know what they are doing. Many people are still going to cling to their ideology. Let David Umai now say lockdown. People go see disobey. Because you know why they will disobey? They'll say, oh, Bas, no, they come. Before the police, they come, they'll suffer. But everybody obeyed. Why? Because, please, Igbo people, be tired of this oppression. Be tired of this very shenanigans. Remove settlement. No mind some other tribe. Some other tribe where they don't know, they don't start to know the canon. They know what they are doing. They're jealousy. Now, jealousy, they cause them. That's why a friend that loves you will always tell you the truth. I'm your friend, that's why I'm telling you this. If you get your country, they know they forbid. If you are going to build your country now, you are going to start building it from foundation. Many world leaders, they will come invest. Company will come invest. You will not be killed again. Then that your dream of knowing how to do a plane, you go achieve one. Igbo people, they are very creative. That's why I love them. They are the Chinese of Africa. But no other tribe will be bold enough to say the truth. They will never say it. If Igbo man, they brilliant past me, does not mean. But I'm the unique. We are uniquely unique and different is different. You still get what me go do. Igbo man don't feel doing. Instead of we to start complaining each other, let's compliment each other. That's what I do. Instead of we to start complaining each other, let's compliment each other. That's what I know how to do best. I will bring out the best in you. Okay, tell me I never support. Job mentioned one thing, say he need to come closer. When Obaseki Matasi come, now me see rock and pass. All waiting until fight, I still get on to today. But was I doing it because of position? No, I wasn't doing it because of position. But the same people, politicians, what we have for house, to make sure say they achieve their dream because it was their main dream, because that's what they eat from. They can never have the mind to do what we do for them. They're not fit doing for us. The same people we do this thing for. Because now they are not, because they cried out, because nobody cried out meet me. It was God that revealed it to me. But for you that key into it, these same people, can they do the same thing you do for them? They can never do it for you. Each of them do and they go thwart your effort. Very wicked set of people. That's why people where they are they jammed, now get good man pass. If you watch everybody in the struggle today, where they speak truth, majority of them are jammed today. You cannot expect see a light everywhere. Then at the end of the day, hey, they'll break. Hey, thank God, oh, Bob, I want to go watch Chelsea ball. This is supposed to be inherent. It's supposed to be a natural phenomenon. But look at it today. Please, my brothers and sisters, my Igbo brothers, you have your country already. If you don't fight for what you want, do not cry for what you lost. Do not cry for what you lose. Nobody will be able to tell you this. But I can best tell you because I don't know how to jealousy anybody. I can best tell you why, because I don't know how to jealousy anybody. Jealousy not in my diary. If I tell Igbo people tomorrow, they get their DC, they even look and say, you know, enter. You know me, we have been able to save a lot of thousands of, at least millions of people. Anytime I see people dying, it pains me. I don't like them. So what am I going to gain? Hearing that there is killing in Olu. That one will not make me comfortable. Hearing that they beheaded somebody in Obigbo. Hearing that David Umahi is carrying military to start killing his people. I don't know what people are gaining from me. That's why I let whatever thing I'm doing, let concentrate and sensitize our people. The reason why they must have to key into this very their ideology to make sure they get their freedom. Italy and Spain today, all of them, they are neighbors. They belong to the same European Union. Either you got your passport, you can work in anywhere. If you get EU, they will get with one document. If you get 5 years, put that in. You can work in any part of the Europe. You can work in any part. So you can also leave the so-called Janjaweed Nigeria and go to Biafra land and marry. You know, begin to work there. Your family will relocate there. All the most painful part of it that people complaining today, Biafra this, Ododuwa this, Medio bed this, Medio or not that. Jammed where you did. You left alone. But you get in here, there were a lot of things that was not in your country. You couldn't get a job, but you came here, you found a job. Also, because if Biafra come now, job is going to be busy for everybody. There's going to be work opportunity for you. Nobody will travel abroad again. That's why even Britain now, they don't fear. They don't say Biafra, everybody will relocate. Because the currency of Biafra is going to be high. Everything is going to be put in place the way it's supposed to be. It will be better than United Arab Emirates. So it's going to be, the economy go to boom. That dream where you not feel achieve for Nigeria, you go achieve on there. People can relocate from Benin with your wife. You like and say, the way this time, I not like them. You secure a job in Imo, for example, or Lu. They carry your family, go there. Nobody will start chasing you out. So far, no means you're not going to do courtesan. Or not going to do all those your many talk by there. Because it's not going to be allowed. Everybody is equal. You coexist. What makes me to be in Spain today? Because if I were to be a courtesan, I cannot be doing video here right now. Because maybe my name go there with police. Because I'm a law and abiding citizen. That's what keep me here. Police don't they look for me, I not they look for them. So wait till they pass that one, not they. Everybody there on their own. So likewise, at the time if you are a good citizen, huh? C'est on Facebook.
Para toda la people.
Do you habla English?
Yes, I can. What happened?
Can you greet my people from Nigeria?
Oh my God! Oh, 50 people.
Yeah, they are watching.
Saludos desde España.
Yeah.
You're famous, bro.
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
Eh?
What are you doing there?
No, I'm doing live broadcast to educate my people about what they need to know.
Nice, very nice.
Yeah, I'm talking to my people.
Nice to meet everybody.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay,
yeah,
have
bye.
a good night, bro.
Yeah. You see to it, what I tell you, I say racism on day. That guy don't know her before. Now those people where they sell pizza, where you call them, they'll come carry pizza, give. I don't know her before. It just come now, stop. a racism raw, now your mind they kill you. I not call Lambo. When it even stops, I even surprised. Where the racism day now? Can I do this one and do this thing? We be say we they not around me. As you just drag back, you go, you tear me slap. Una no say and say, I think I'm proving a lot of people wrong now. They're not like racism here. He's a Spanish boy. He's a Spanish boy. If they use back, they get where they sell all this kebab and all this fast food. You call them, that machine so now they do supply. They'll carry and come your house if you need home delivery. If you want to go, you go their shop, but a different shop. You just see now. You see how I got to do something. Can this one happen in Olu? Can it happen? Or can it happen in Edo State? People went for protest today. Then they were still harassed. Up to now, the person that they kill his parents, government never see talk put. The person where they kill Papa, I've been a man and Mama they kill, government never talk put. But we have a lot of nuisance in social media who is talking about it. Everything right now, they live on for ladies comrade. I don't want to mention his name because that boy too sin during that campaign. But I'm also supporting him right now because he's doing the right thing. I pray for them today. All the sin they are forgiven, you know, the big one I forgiven. I know the whole person, man. But what will make me to start there and anoint for you is when you are trying to sabotage our struggle. I don't like it. If you are an activist, there is a way you also support a politician. Don't become a wayward politician like this animal in America. Now you can even what politicians cannot even do now you can't do. They're not bad about you supporting person, trying to project the image of the person to the people, what you know about them. But don't become a sticky politician. But no person talk about it today. No, people are not even ready to draw the government attention to this thing. At least government. You know, say now we can pay for it, but this is your duty. If now your pa or your mother kill like that, you were not compensated, for example. I don't say not because of the money. At least, be that saying a mistake, it's not a deliberate. How will vigilante kill too so? What now the difference between the vigilante and the police? This the vigilante that was created never ever reach 1 year. You don't kill too so now. Before they spend 2 years for vigilante, I tell you, not be why they kill the hado. We are talking now. You don't kill two people in cold blood. But up till now, the government did not go there and carry the responsibility. You guys are still waiting for abroad to come and donate money. They are also waiting for abroad to come and donate money. So it is very dehydrating. So if we must have a better society, any issue that is happening, why I feel yame because that's why insult to war. Because you know they have me to do. One know they pull here for what I say not concern. All those are major issues. This issue should be left for the people at home alone. We should correct the government. Government, this thing you are supposed to do it. If the government have done what they needed to do, what would have supposed to lead to protest? The deputy governor is there. Phyllis Shaibu is there. Osadion Oge is there. Let everyone, as you say, never had left positions. Won't those people, won't they open up their and see some major things they are supposed to respond to in the state? At times, I'm just wondering. It's only in that Nigeria there, people, you don't elect people go into politics just to, make funds. People are happy Obaseki won today. They are not happy because it's coming to come and repair the state. They are happy because it's the source of their livelihood. What myself is happy for that. Our struggle was never thwarted. Then with the structure, God have already revealed to me that I want to do. But whether I don't go, let them do it. That's why everybody in this whole thing have his own, the reason why I supported Obaseki. I did not support Obaseki, may I call the Pamparam. No. I'm in solidarity with the people that held protest today. They might have not used the real approach for the protest, but the government should please answer this the son of the deceased. The responsibility of the government. It is the responsibility of the government. If police keep person here, if police mistakenly keep person here, that family don't reach. If police mistakenly keep person here, that family don't reach. Imagine, do you know the funniest thing? If you have insurance in your car, and when they drive, they go. People wait there inside, you get accident. People wait there inside, they're injured. Do you know they are going to pay those people? Your insurance will pay those people. Your own insurance will pay those people. So the system that's here, I just pray that you people witness, for those of you in Nigeria, I know a lot of people in abroad, know it. A lot of people, they are just here, they are dies. Their life is meaningless. They have no single relevancy to their lives. Even the day they are brought safe, they are still living as if they are home. Because they are still tied to those archaic ideas that they have. They are not still civilized. But for those of us who is civilized, we know what in day. We know what in day. At least our people deserve the best. Somebody, a security go kill and mistakenly. Let everyone assume it's not a deliberate act. At least there should be a body that should respond to all these things. If you are not going to drive the person, or the person will start working for the salary, Fulani herdsmen go keep person. Nobody go talk. Vigilante we suppose go to fight Fulani for Benin and Chi Road. He go to keep person for inside Benin. All of them, they are parabolating inside the. Is that what you people were made for? That's not the main for what you were made for. If you cannot do it, contract or that private whatever. All of them they form. There are criminals in your bush. You people have not been able to kill one Fulani. One Fulani you have not been able to kill. But I know how many of your brothers are those that you guys have humiliated. But if not so God one may be. If not be so God see one may be. But we have a lot of sacrifices in social media that when major things happening, they don't talk about it. They'll come go bring another topic, take cover within the ground. But my next prayer for that, for those of you dying today, for those of you that are tasting for a better society, our Brafa freedom today, it has showed that really Brafa is big enough. The capacity is enough for them to have their own personal country. So it showed today to the whole world. It's overwhelming, seen everywhere, locked down. It be like this thing where a state of Halloween, you know. But me, I'm happy for them. I'm also happy for you guys that they are be killing. So if I don't, if you not see the way it be, wanna find some places, go for Igbo land if your people are not ready to protect you. Because right now we are not seeing major on ground. All what we are seeing right now, they show to us that yes, we have sold part of this very Edo to the Janjaweed, Fulani. So that's what they have shown. But Meruwa, you will say you not go talk. At the time they kill your man, pray may not happen. Because if they ever kill your man, go insult you because you not talk. If they kill any of your brother or sister, then me will come insult you, Jonah. You know why? Because I'm going to call you a fool. I know people where I don't already write their list who claim they are anti-corruption activists. Where you supposed to speak right now, not speak again. All what he did for 5 years was to call somebody gay. The voice now not going to use them again. But this same person, he get 3 old person, we want bury. Give me up as soon that I will deliver the one. No, I was about to punish you or more done. Stupid set of people. Please do have a nice day. Let me leave you here. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. Ciao.